Hello guys, welcome back. This is Osmosis FX and today is Wednesday and we had CPI today and it was amazing. CPI was bullish as anticipated and we have some bearish moves on GU, we have some bearish moves on gold. BTC failed to comply with that bearish move. BTC sold a little but still inside its 4-hour zone. BTC was still buying. Now with all this, I've been tracking Gbpcad for some while, and Gbpcad is actually it's supposed to sell. So let's go through this. We have this retracement. This is a retracement. So this is weekly retracement choke. So retracements, so that you'll get to know that we are retracing. Weekly retracement BOS. So it should be like that. So we will not get confused. Retracement BOS. Okay, so I'd like to delete this or delete this also. So let me clone this here and this last man here. Okay, so this man here. So we have this unmitigated demand after this rally base rally that broke this high. Price came back into this origin drop, then price poof. When price poof, we have impulse, we have fair value gaps present, especially we have this fair value gap here. So price retraced and didn't come back into the zone, and we have a continuation of the break. So here we have a demand here. Let's see, was there a demand here? Okay, so you can see that we have a big demand here. This low was taken. What's that? This low was taken and this high was taken. So we have this zone from here to here to be. So after this, price came back into this and we have this stretch. So let's take a look at what we have. So this is a weekly demand. Is a weekly demand. So in this zone, price taps and creates a new high. We have a retracement. When price came into this, the formation of this is to break this high. Okay, the formation of this zone when price came back to this zone is to break this high. So when price came back, took out this retracement, this can just be a liquidity for liquidity grab or sell side liquidity. This is sell side liquidity, so I probably remove this. This is sell side liquidity, and also this is also a retracement though. This is sell side liquidity taking tap into here. We have a rally base rally formation, which is a demand. We have one demand here, and we have drop base rally. Then price came back into it, rally. We have this, and price tapped into it and moved. So we have this here. So I remove all this because it's looking a little bit shady. So let me see, what do we have here? This is the drop rally base rally. So we have this one and price mitigate this, we have this other one. Is there an inside bar for this? So this one was perhaps tapped into, but not really tapped into. Price just tapped into it, and so this has done its job here, and we are in this zone presently. This is out. This is just inducement. When price comes back for this inducement, we should know. So we have a supply here that took out this. So when price rallied up, price reacted to that supply and took that supply out. So who's responsible for taking that supply out? So we have price here taking this low and taking this high. Okay, so we have a demand here. So let's take a look at what we have in this zone. So what do we have here? This is the last month here. And this is this. So after price broke up, we are in here, and we need to see a change of direction here. So we'll assume, I can't really assume price tapped into this, and I can say this is rally, base, rally, base, rally. Price took out this. You know, price always wants to take out sell side. Price took out this sell side, and perhaps tap into this zone. Not fully, but we have a rally, base, rally that took out this side and took out this other right. So in here we have a demand structure in here. So let's go down to daily. Price closed bullish, so let's see what we have. Okay, so we have a daily change of character here. Price didn't come back to it. We have a sweep. This is the sweep. This is daily visibility, daily. Put it underneath. We have a sweep. We have a sweep here. We have price after sweep. We have a BMS here. This is daily. DPMS at the top. So I'm actually looking for a demand structure here, and after that price came back into this, and we have a DPMS again. So let me just remove this. After a DPMS, price came back to this rally, base, rally. This is the base, and what do we have here? Let me see. Okay, let's take a look at this. We have a clear of this low, and the sweep of this low, and the sweep of this high. So this should be our demand. So this down to this zone. Why? Because we have a liquidity clearance here, and this high cleared. So because of that, everything in here, let's move to this. Yes, so this is a full stretch, and when we got here, what do we have? We have this is the change of character now. Choke, demand, choke. This is a demand choke. This is demand BS. This is a retracement, and we are currently. So we are inside this demand, and this is, I think this is a weekly. So we're actually looking at for the demand in here. So who is responsible? This is the responsive guy. Took out this and took out this. So I have from this low to this as my daily demand. Okay, so here has done its job, here has also done its job. So now I'm looking out for this zone now, so I'm expecting price to come here, then I target this one here. This is my, what's it called, daily buy side. So my visibility is on. So daily chalk, where so if price comes in here, I'm bullish. So let's go down to 4 hour. So on 4 hour, I want to sell off. So that thing from this 4 hour sell, you can see we have a liquidity here, equal low. This is daily equal low. Let me just put this, so we should have it in mind that we have an equal low. Here we have a supply here, so at least we have the supply. What should we be looking at? What should we be looking at to take out in this zone? So in here we have a rally based rally, price came back, took out all this low, and we have a rally, price came back into this base and continue. So I'll see that here is the liquidity that needs to be taken. This is the sell side liquidity that needs to be taken. So if price enters here, this will be my target. Sell side. So I'll probably want to use 50% of this guy so that I can let me zoom in because I realize so if I see price here as 19 pips, there's a 20 pips. What is this? Okay. Come back here. This is 62 pips, 20 to 60. That's 1 to 3. If I should come back here, I'll take out this and I'll look to buy from here because this is a change of character here, demand taking. So if we come back here, I'll long to this zone. So that's that for but I would love to see verification here first, because price might still move down here. Why? Because of this equal low liquidity. So I will need to see a change of character here if I can engage. Okay, I think that's that for Gbcad. So look out for this sell as price is trying to reverse back. So wait for price to enter inside, and if you can see a lower time frame confirmation for the sell, it will surely give us a lower time frame confirmation. Aim for this low. So that's that on Gbcad for this remaining days of the week. Bye guys.